System errors causing the Guard64.dll crashes in your apps? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before diving into the Guard64 technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This DLL file is a core security component of Comodo Internet Security. It monitors system processes and file activity in a 64-bit environment to prevent unauthorized modifications and protect the OS against various malware threats. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This error commonly appears when Comodo Application files are missing or corrupted. Reinstall the official version of Comodo Application to repair the application and replace the Guard64.dll. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Guard64. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for the Guard64.dll, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including the Guard64 management references. If your workstation is back online and the Guard64 is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.